Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and super cute. A springtime house with flowers, butterflies, and bright colors. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof. We'll make a triangle at the top, just like this. Now, let's draw the house shape, a big rectangle under the roof. Let's add a door in the middle. And draw 2 windows, one on each side. Oh! Let's make it cute. Draw a heart right above the door. Time for the chimney. Draw a small rectangle sticking out of the roof. Now let's make it feel like spring. Draw 2 big flowers, one on each side of the house.
La da 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 dee.
Behind each big flower, draw a flower tree with little blossoms. What about the sky? Let's add some floating flowers and some cute butterflies flying around.
La da 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 dee.
Yay! Nice job, everyone! Our beautiful spring house is ready. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so our drawing really pops on the page. Wow! Our house is looking awesome! Isn't it? Now it's time to add some color. We're going to use rainbow colors. Are you ready? Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Brown color.
Yay!
You did such an amazing job today, little artist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. And keep coloring the world.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.